how long does pending Robux take? So for example, let's say you've made a sale. In my case, I'll go into my groups here. I own this group. I'll just click on it. We want to click on the three dots, configure group, and I'll go into revenue. And as you can see, I have pending Robux like this. Now, if we hover over the clock icon, pending Robux are not included in your total until released, which could take up to a few days. So how many days is that exactly? Well, right here, I'll go into my sales. I sold this shirt on the 15th. Currently, it's the 19th, so it's like 4 days later, and I still haven't received the Robux. So basically, if we go to Google and search for this, it's gonna tell us that it can take from 3 to 7 days, but in most cases it can take 7 days. So here, just be patient, give it a week. So if you haven't received your pending Robux in a week, then you can contact support, but usually in 7 days you will have your pending Robux in your total group funds in my case, or you will have received your pending Robux. So 7 days. Leave a like and sub if this helps. I'll see you next time.